7,000 IIT students still jobless as the placement season ends. Institute sends SOS to alumni for help. Delhi Environment Minister Gopal Rai announced a ban on the production, sale, and use of all firecrackers, including green crackers, until 1st January as part of attempts to control air pollution in the capital. Narayana Murthy said he does not believe in coaching classes as the only students who require them are those who fail to pay proper attention to their teachers in the school classroom itself. In a heartwarming incident that restored faith in humanity, a product manager shared an inspiring story on LinkedIn about the honesty and kindness of a Gurgaon auto driver. EAMS Jaishankar calls for a ceasefire in conflict zone Gaza as soon as possible. Vinesh Fogart's uncle Mahavir Fogart was against the wrestler joining politics, said she should have focused on the 2028 Olympics. A Chinese painter died after working 104 days straight with only one rest day. His employer was found 20% liable for his death due to overwork. NIA probe into the blast at Bengaluru's Rameshwaram cafe has revealed that the two main accused were also behind a failed IED attack at the Karnataka BJP office in Malleshwaram on the day of the Pran Pratishtha ceremony at Ayodhya. CJI DY Chandrachud rebuked lawyer, asked him to lower his voice during the hearing of the Kolkata doctor death case in the Supreme Court. Himachal Pradesh HC pulled up a teacher for hosting her son's wedding in a government school in Hamirpur, in which the headmaster and staff were also present. Supreme Court dismissed petition seeking to restrain India and Indian companies from supplying arms and military aid to Israel for its war in Gaza. Indian news agency Annie wants Netflix to take down 4 episodes of Ike 814 The Kandahar Hijack, where its content has been used, since the series has come into such criticism, causing tarnish the brand name. The outsider-insider debate in Bengaluru has once again taken off social media after a viral ex-post claimed that the tech capital belongs to Kannadigas. Bengaluru auto driver arrested for abusing woman gets crowdfunding support to cover 30,000 fine. Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud, referring to the doctors' protest in the wake of the rape and murder of a doctor in Kolkata's RG Kar Medical College and Hospital, commented that protests cannot continue at the cost of duty. Taking a swipe at Rahul Gandhi, Union Minister Giriraj Singh remarked that if there is any technology to connect with the deceased, the Congress leader should ask his grandmother about the role of the RSS. Elon Musk is on the way to become the world's first trillionaire by 2027, according to an Informa Connect Academy report, which added that his wealth has been growing at an average annual rate of 110%. Addressing the Indian diaspora in Texas, senior Congress leader Sam Pitroda declared that the leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, is not Pappu. Young India wicketkeeper batter Dhruv Jurel has equalled legendary glovesman Mahendra Singh Dhoni's incredible record in Duleep Trophy. A 15-year-old boy died in Bihar's Saran district after a fake doctor allegedly performed surgery to remove a gall bladder stone using instructions from YouTube.